Hi there, welcome to Social Guidance. In this video, I will show you how to change password on Facebook. So for this, let's open our Facebook app. Once the app is open, now click on the menu on the top right corner. Now here, you need to scroll down until you find Setting and Privacy option. So scroll down and click on Setting and Privacy. Now again, click on Settings. So from here, you need to go to your account center. So simply click on Account Center here. Once you are in Account Center, then scroll down and click on Password and Security. And now click on Change Password on the top. Choose your profile from here and then enter the current password, new password, and retype the new password again. And then click on Change Password. So in this way, your password will be changed. So this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.